Hey everyone, so today we're going to go over how to set up a redirect for a www site to a non-www site. Basically, what we did the other day is we created a website in S3 for doandaybuilds.com, and we set up the DNS for it. So for doandaybuilds.com, it was easy. We just chose an alias target, which was the S3 bucket that we set up for the site. Now, the problem we run into is that's not going to work for the www version. If we make this into an alias and choose a target, there is no S3 website endpoint available for the www version of the site. And that is because there's no actual bucket available named www.doandaybuilds.com. So it's not able to find an endpoint for that. So what we actually need to do is we need to create a new bucket for the www version of the site and then redirect that bucket, that site that's in that bucket, to our non-www version. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and create our bucket. We're going to give it the www version of the domain. So I'm going to do www.doandaybuilds.com. We're going to make sure that it's in the same region as the previous bucket. This is going to be used for a website, so I'm not going to block all public access. Go ahead and acknowledge that, and then create the bucket. So now go to the bucket that you just created. Let's go to properties. And let's go to static website hosting. So we're going to now, rather than use this bucket to host a website, we're going to redirect requests, and we're going to give the target bucket. So I'm going to do doandaybuilds.com. I'm going to just do HTTP as the protocol because I haven't set up HTTPS for this yet, and save. So if we go ahead and look at the endpoint URL, we can see right away that this S3 bucket endpoint goes to the site that I'm trying to forward to, the non-dub version of doandaybuilds.com. So next, we're going to go ahead and update DNS so that it points at the new S3 bucket. So going back to hosted zones, doandaybuilds.com, and I'm going to go ahead here, www.doandaybuilds.com. I am going to change this to an alias, and then I'm going to choose the new S3 website endpoint for www.doandaybuilds.com. Now I should note that when I checked this immediately after creating the second bucket, it wasn't showing up. So sometimes you might want to give it a few minutes and reload the page before you'll see this show up. So anyhow, I've gone ahead and added that. And now when I go to www.doandaybuilds.com, it should redirect to doandaybuilds.com. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.